Hey there, marketers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're kicking off a three-part series on automating Google Ads translations using Python and Google Ads Editor. Part 1, export your campaigns as a CSV, this video. Part 2 will be automate translations with Python. And Part 3 will be re-upload translations or translated campaigns to Google Ads. So let's dive in. So first, if you don't have it already, you're going to go to the Google Ads Editor download page. The link will be in the description, and you're going to click Download Google Ads Editor. It's free and it takes about a couple minutes to install. So once you've installed it, you're going to open Google Ads Editor. I have it open here. You're going to sign in. I've already signed in, and you're going to choose your account. I'm just going to go to Open just to show you, and then you're going to select this. This is the account that I want, and you're going to click on Open. Note if you manage multiple accounts, double check that you're selecting the right one. And then once connected, your campaigns will load automatically. All right, so the next step is to export the campaign data to CSV. So one way to do this, you can go up here to this left-hand side where you see I have my HVAC marketing campaign. You're going to right-click the campaign and you're going to select Export Selected Campaigns, Ad Groups, and Asset Groups. Then, once all of this is selected, for simplicity's sake, you're going to click Export All Types and click OK. And then you're going to save the CSV to your folder. Is it right? And so that's pretty much it for this first video. In part 2, we'll use Python to auto-translate the CSV into any language, saving you hours of manual work. So smash that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.